Question number 15. Lump sum method on that capital and current account. Okay, both the accounts you should prepare. The following is the balance sheet of A and B sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Capitals of A and B is given. The main information is current account. Current account of A and B is also given, and A's loan is there. Creditors. Here fixed assets 1,40,000. Current assets stock, debtors, bank or cash. Okay. The information is the fixed assets included the motor cars. Okay. Having book value. Fixed assets having motor cars having book value of 16,000 and 12,000, which were taken over by A and B at agreed values of 24,000 and 16,000 respectively. They sold the fixed assets other than motor cars and stock to X Limited at an agreed purchase price of 3,20,000 rupees. This one is the purchase consideration, 3,20,000 rupees. Sorry, 20,000. Payable, it has been divided as 1,12,000. This 3,20,000 should be payable in 1,12,000 rupees in cash. The balance in 800 preference shares of 80 rupees each and 1,800 equity shares of 100 each at a market value of 80 rupees per share. See here, read it carefully. This 3,20,000 has been splitted, okay, in cash, and the balance in preference shares and the remaining in equity shares. So three types of three forms has been there: cash, preference share and equity share. Debtors realized for 1,22,000 rupees and creditors were paid 85,000 rupees in full satisfaction of their claims. Preference share were used to pay A's loan. Okay, preference shares were used to pay A's loan and the balance preference shares were taken by A towards the part payment of his dues. Equity shares were shared by A and B in the ratio of their fixed capital. Okay, which one? Equity shares in their fixed capital. Show the necessary ledger accounts to close the books of the firm. Okay, so this is the question, and now as usual, first you have to find out the purchase consideration, which is directly given as 3,20,000 rupees. But how they have discharged it, I will show you. And this 3,20,000 has been discharged, means discharge of purchase consideration 1,12,000 rupees in cash, 1,12,000 in cash, and 800 preference shares of 80 rupees each. 800 shares, 80 rupees each, means 64,000 rupees is in preference shares, and remaining 1,800 equity shares of 100 each, but at the market value of 80 rupees per share. So 1,800 into 80 rupees per share, 1,44,000 rupees. So this is the purchase consideration, 3,20,000 rupees. Next, in the books of A and B, realization account. Okay, so here two fixed assets. Fixed assets is 1,40,000 rupees, and current assets 70, 1,30,000, 50. 70, 1,30,000 and 50,000 rupees, and by creditors 90,000. Creditors is 90,000, and here by A's current account for car taken over and B's current account for car taken over, that is for 24,000 and 16,000. Here see, that is for 24,000 and 16,000 respectively. And here by cash account, that is debtors realized. See here, debtors realized for 1,22,000 rupees. Okay, so for that entry is by cash account in bracket debtors realized 1,22,000 rupees. Next, by X Limited, that is purchase consideration 3,20,000. Total purchase consideration is 3,20,000 rupees. Now these are all those fixed and current assets. And next thing is to cash account 85,000 rupees paid to creditors. See here, Debtors realized 1,22,000 and creditors were paid 85,000 in full satisfaction of their claims. So creditors has been paid for that to cash account in bracket creditors 85,000 rupees. Now after all these entries, make the balance of it and divide it into 2:1 ratio, means 2/3 and 1/3. A's current account is 64,667 and B's current account, remember here it transfers to current account, not capital account, 32,333 rupees. Next come to X Limited account. Here X Limited account realization is obviously 3,20,000. They have divided it into cash 1 lakh, just the same entry what I have showed here, that discharge of purchase consideration for cash and for preference shares, equity shares. Okay, the same amount for cash, preference shares and equity shares, make the total of it. Next thing is preference shares in X Limited account. So preference shares 64,000 rupees. X Limited account credited by preference shares account debited to X Limited account 64,000 rupees. This 64,000 rupees is used for A's loan account. Because preference shares were used to pay A's loan and the balance preference shares were taken by A towards part payment of his dues. So that's why total this preference shares transfers to A's capital account. First one is for A's loan 60,000 and remaining is for his dues, and that is 4,000. Okay, and now equity shares. For equity shares, see here equity shares 1,800 shares of 80 rupees, that is 1,44,000. Now to in equity shares in X Limited account debited to X Limited account 1,44,000 rupees. Okay, this 1,44,000 rupees has to be divided in see here equity shares were shared by A and B in the ratio of their fixed capital, and see here their capital is 1,80,000. So just you can cancel it all the zeros and you will get 10:8. Okay, now see here equity shares is 1,44,000, that is 1,44,000, and you have to divide it in just I have showed you that 10:8. So 10 divided by 18 into 1,44,000 for A, and for B 10 divided by 18 into 1,44,000. You will get 80,000 and 64,000 rupees. Now move to current account. This current account, first thing is by balance brought down 40,000 and 20,000. So there 40,000 and 20,000 rupees their current account. Okay. Next thing is by realization account, the profit. You can see here that the profit of realization account is 64 and 32. The same thing, 64,667 and 32,333. And here to realization account for car taken over by A 24,000 and B 16,000, and make the total of it. Balancing figure is 80,667 and 36,333 rupees for B transfers to their capital account. And now you have to open the capital account. Okay, now here their capital account to preference shares in X Limited is 4,000 rupees for A, means for this entry, that 60,000 has went for his loan and remaining 4,000 for his dues. So two preference shares in X Limited, for A 4,000 and B nil. Next thing is to equity shares in X Limited, they are divided it into 10:8, that is 80,000 and 64,000 rupees, and by balance brought down 1,80,000 rupees, this 1,80,000 rupees. And by current account, the balancing figure is this one, the same entry you have to make it here, and the balancing figure transfers to cash account. Okay, for A and B. Next thing is cash account. Here, by to balance brought down cash balance is 50,000 rupees, and to X Limited 1,12,000 rupees, means received from X Limited is 1,12,000 rupees. See here, the entry is by cash 1,12,000 rupees in X Limited account. Next thing is to realization account for debtors realized. Debtors also realized for this same amount 1,22,000 rupees. That is by cash account debtors realized 1,22,000 rupees. Next thing is by realization account 50,000, that is 50,000 for the bank balance. And next thing is by realization account paid to creditors, that is 85,000, means to cash account 85,000 rupees. Next by A's capital and B's capital account on the same amount, see here 96,667 and 52,333 rupees. See, note is given that equity shares were shared in their fixed capital 1 lakh, and just I have showed that 10:8 ratio. Next, you should open A's loan account. So, here loan is 60,000 rupees. That is just we have make the entry for this A's loan 60,000, which has been arrived from here. That is A's loan is 60,000. Okay, that loan has been preference shares to preference shares in X Limited 60,000. This entry for this one, that preference shares were used to pay A's loan. That's why to preference shares in X Limited 60,000, make the total of it. With this problem, this conversion of partnership firm into a limited company completes. So with this, all of your syllabus of this semester, that advanced financial accounting of written by Anil Kumar, Rajesh Kumar and Mariappa. I have referred this book and some other book of Harvard University, and advanced accounting of that by some other authors. If you want, then I will give you I will show you which book I have referred, and with this all your syllabus also completes. Thank you.